be in a bird dog position. So we're gonna have our hands right underneath our shoulders here and our knees right underneath our hips. We're gonna extend our opposite leg of the arm that the dumbbell is in. We're going to, as we come up and row, we are going to kick back, just like this. Just like that. We're gonna stay on one side first, and then we'll get into the other side. All right, we're gonna start with that one side. In 3, 2, 1, and go. Trying to pull back towards your waist a little bit, not as much at your chest. We wanna inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. Three, 2, 1, awesome. We're gonna put that dumbbell in the opposite hand here. Opposite leg is going to extend. We're getting started in 3, 2, 1, and go. Make sure our back is flat here. We don't wanna arch our back. We wanna pull it up and make sure that that core is tight. Three, 2, 1, awesome.